Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with I guess it's a mixed plate embellishment project share. I've been doing a few things here and there. I haven't really done like a big project. We've had some family stuff happening, and so I'm not home a lot. But anyway, I just wanted to, today actually had a holiday, which is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and so I had the day off and I was able to do a few things here and there. So these are some of the things I've just been seeing on YouTube, and some of them are old ideas now, I guess because now I'm using my sewing machine more, I feel like I have the freedom to do more stuff. So anyway, let me just kind of go through what I figured out. So this is inspired by Tony, who is Craft Purge, and she made these really cool shaker rosettes. So I'm sure I saw that tutorial a long time ago, but that's when I wasn't really using my sewing machine too much, and so now that I am, I decided to give it a try. So it's actually not that difficult to do, and I really like how they came out. So I want to try and decorate them after this, and hopefully it'll come out really cute like how it looks in my head. Okay, so anyway, this is one that I made using like silver sequins, but it looks white through the vellum, which I thought was kind of interesting, like not what I thought it was gonna look like. And then so the rest I just did the darker color. So she, in her video, she talks about don't really use the lighter colors like the pastels because it won't show through because it is vellum. So this is more of like a purple, pink, silver mix that I got from Target a while ago. So that is sorry, I didn't finish it off, but that you kind of get the idea. So those look pretty good, and then you can actually hear it shaking when it shakes. I don't know, I can hear it, but maybe you can't. And then this is the new confetti one that I got from Michael's on my trip, which I love this. I wish I bought more now. I bought 2 bottles, but I'm like trying not to like waste it, but I really like how those came out. So I did make about 4 of those. I really feel it has the whole Valentine's Day, the conversation hearts vibe, so I will likely use these for Valentine's Day. Okay, and then this is another, I didn't share, but I did order the Coco and Reno rosette die set. It comes with 4 rosettes, and what you call it, you can get it if you have the subscription. You'll get it through that, but I don't have the subscription, but I saw it, so I really wanted it, so I just ordered it as a separate thing. So this is the only one that came out kind of wonky. I'm not sure what I did, or if it was my paper that was too thick, so I have to try cut this one again. It's supposed to look more like snowflakes, which is the reason why I wanted this set, but I still think I can make it work. These came out much better, so it's hard to kind of figure out like if you're supposed to fold in on the long part. I'm not sure. Anyway, so I kind of like how these came out. I really like this one a lot. This one has the stars cut out, and then this one, I love that look on the edge. I haven't tried the new Anna Griffin one, the cut and emboss folders yet, so once I do that, I will share that as well. Okay, so the other thing I was doing sewing wise is I was inspired by Anne, who is Crafty Kimchi, and so a while ago, I'm not even sure how long, she had made these shaker hearts out of vellum, and so she put I don't even know what she put inside. It must have been glitter, and so I did the same thing. So I just die cut the hearts, and then I sewed around it. I don't even know which side is the right side, and then I added the glitter. So this is all glitter, again from Target, I believe. So this is like gold, and it's really a bright shiny gold, but behind the vellum it's a lot more muted, and I have the gold thread there. So I just did a whole bunch of different sized hearts, and then I did the conversation looking hearts again. I love these are so cute. The other thing that Anne did, which I might want to try later, I gotta figure out which glue to use, because I don't have the one she has, but she uses those gold flakes, you know, to like add in like a gold swish, and I need to do that, especially on these gold ones, because it's a little bit plain, I think. So I want to try that as well. Maybe not on these, but on these for sure. And then the other thing I made were these pockets. I'm not sure who I saw do this. It might have been like Cheryl or something. I want to say she's from the UK or Australia, but she does a lot of cute stuff too, so I just and then you can like decorate them and then just slap it on a card. So I did do that, and then I did get my sorry, I haven't been doing haul videos, but I did get in the coffee themed sentiments. Maybe I did show this in a haul, but this is from KS Crafts, and I just wanted to cut them out so that I knew what it would look like in the size and everything. So I have a set now in case I want to start making coffee stuff. I haven't made anything for coffee month for the PHA group, but hopefully I can get to something like that soon. I think that would be cute on here. What do you think? And then just add a coffee cup, maybe something like that. And then I did start cutting some of my new Sanrio dies. So these are just some of the new Hello Kitty dies. I like to see them to see how big they come out to be. Like this one, he's really small. I didn't cut out that last balloon, but I think that they came out pretty cute. These are the Kettle peas, which is the frog. And then I did cut out a few Hello Kitties. I almost was gonna cut out the Hello Kitty one that looks like a Starbucks. So it says like Hello Kitty coffee or Hello Coffee, but it like cut it out backwards. The words came out backwards, so you have to like cut it upside down, you know, with the paper upside down, and then it doesn't look as nice. So I just kind of put that off, and maybe I'll go back to that later. This one, I think it would look cute with something here, like a necklace or a bow or something like that. But those are the ones that I started cutting out so far. And then I did end up using one of them, which is this one. She's actually supposed to be wearing like a ski cap and like a scarf, but since it's kind of not that winter's ending, but this is more for like a birthday card, so I just used the heart and made it look more Valentine's-y. So this is for my friend. I need to send off her package soon, so I decided to use the Hello Kitty to make her a card. This is some Hello Kitty Cricut paper that I just had leftover scraps of, and then I added the die cut from that. This is a KS Crafts die. It's a birthday set. And I thought it was kind of plain when I first like put it here, so I got some of that new eyelash trim that I just got on my trip, where it's more like iridescent. I really like how that came out. It's so simple. So I just hot glued it down, like, you know, maybe like 3 layers of it, and then I put this on foam, and then I hot glued it onto here. So I think that it just added a little bit extra, even though the card is just very simple. And then inside I did cut out the same set of words, the happy birthday from that set. So that is my project share for today. I'm hoping to do maybe at least one more project a little bit later, but yeah, things are just kind of hectic right now. So I will talk to you guys next video. Bye.